Hey, what's up? I'm David. Welcome on David Suggest. Before watching this product, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell for not missing new video. So now, let's watch.
Ninja OP301 pressure cooker, steamer, and air fryer with TenderCrisp Technology pressure and crisping lid, 6.5 quart, black gray. The Ninja Foodi-The pressure cooker that crisps. Pressure cooker, air fryer, TenderCrisper. TenderCrisp Technology allows you to quickly cook ingredients, then the crisping lid gives your meals a crispy, golden finish. Pressure cook up to 70% faster versus traditional cooking methods. Air fry with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods versus slow-cooked, braised, or low-simmer recipes tested against hand-cut, deep-fried French fries. 6.5 Quart Ceramic Coated Pot, Nonstick, PTFE PFOA free, and easy to clean. Enough capacity to cook a roast for your family. 4 Quart Cook Crisp Basket, large capacity, ceramic coated, PTFE PFOA free basket holds up to a 5 pounds chicken or 3 pounds of French fries to feed your whole family. Non-stick for easy cleanup. 14 levels of safety, passed rigorous testing to earn all safety certification, giving you confidence and peace of mind while cooking. Frozen to crispy, skip thawing and save time. Evenly cook frozen food from the inside out, starting with pressure cooking and finishing off with a crisping method of your choice. Includes 1400 watt unit, crisping lid, pressure lid, 6.5 quart ceramic coated pot, 4 quart ceramic coated cook and crisp basket, stainless steel reversible rack, and 45 plus recipe book. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.
So, thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.